divide blah, blah, blah by blah, 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 and write the division statement. So that means when we're done, we're going to think about ice cream. P equals dq plus r. That's our division statement. So our polynomial, that's what's inside here. Ooh, and we introduce rule number 2. Also, never happens in real numbers. Okay? For example, have you ever seen anybody write 37,043 by saying, oh, there's a 0 there, I don't need it, I'll just write this, right? I have 37,043. I'm just going to pretend the 0's not there. But you have it with polynomials. Where is there a 0? We don't have any x squareds. So when we write this out, we're going to write 0x squared just so we have a column for x squared. Plus 3x minus 20.
So if we have like x to a million, we have like right x to 9.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. I'm gonna get you to do this one. X to 1 million minus 1, and you have to add all the zeros all the way down. No, I'm not going to do that. Not yet. And we're dividing by x plus 2. We're going to underdot that in black. Love that word. What would we need to multiply x plus 2 by to get 3x to the 4? 3x to the third. And we multiply it, you're going to get 3x to the 4 plus 6x to the 3. And we subtract. So this will be 0, negative 1 minus 6, negative 7x cubed. We still have a 0x squared plus 3x minus 20. Under dot our new number. And what would we need to multiply x plus 2 by to get negative 7x cubed? Negative 7x squared. So it was nice that we had our 0 there to have a column for our x squareds. And it's also going to be nice that we have our 0 there, because when I multiply this, I get negative 7x cubed minus 14x squared. And now I have to subtract. And it's going to be 0 plus 14x squared plus 3x minus 20. Under dot again. So we're really just redoing the same thing over and over again. Now I have a 14x squared. What am I going to need to multiply by? Plus 14x. 14x times x is 14x squared plus 28x. Subtract 0, 3 minus 28, negative 25x minus 20. Take out your underdotter. Underdot the first one in black. What would I have to multiply by to get minus 25? I am running out of colors. We are going to use oh, dark, dark blue. Like it. So negative 25 to get negative 25x minus 50 and subtract. So we're going to get 0 and plus 30. So we can go up to the top and say that our remainder is 30. So we've done the long division, and now we need to write our division statement. So for our division statement, we take our original polynomial. Again, it's P Dairy Queen plus remainder. So our original polynomial was 3x to the 4 minus x cubed. And you don't have to write the 0x squared here. You can just go plus 3x minus 20 is equal to, we divided by x plus 2, and we multiplied by our quotient. Our quotient that we got 3, negative 7, 14, negative 25. 3x cubed. And then the remainder is 30, so we go plus 30. This was our remainder, this is our quotient, this is our divisor, this is our polynomial. If you put q first and then d, it's still the same thing, but it doesn't make you think of ice cream, so it's not nearly as good. Okay? Well, because this has a remainder, this isn't truly factored. It only is factored properly if the remainder is 0. So with your division statement, this is all you have to do. Later on in the unit, it's going to say, questions are going to say like factor fully. And then you'll have to factor things all the way as far as you can.
So it's factored fully. You factor that and then you take 30 and then divide by x.
When it's factored fully, the remainder would be 0. You'd have to have a remainder 0. And then you'd have to look at the next polynomial and see if you could factor more. But we're going to learn techniques for that. Okay.